Hey guys, Mike with A&M here. Today we got a really cool call. It's actually from an Army base. So we're gonna head out to Fort Jackson in South Carolina, and apparently they have some stuff they want to get taken away. So we're gonna head up there. I'll show you the base when we get there, but who knows if they're gonna let us record when we get in there. So we're gonna find out. But that's what today's video is about. All right guys, we got into the base. It was actually a lot of stuff we had to go through. We had to have our IDs, registration, insurance, all this kind of stuff. We had to go up to the visitor center and get a pass, and they said our names were in the system. And you kind of get that feeling that you're doing something wrong even when you're not, when you're around this place. But now we're gonna go through here and look and see if we can find where we gotta go. So it just looks like a regular road through here, but there's housing developments and there's different places for, they actually have a golf course within here and stuff. I'll show you guys a map of the whole entire compound, or I don't even know if that's what it's called, but I got a map of it so you can see how big it is. So yeah, once we get to the place, I'm not gonna record. I just do not want to record in front of these people, but I'm gonna try to take some pictures. Drill Sergeant Academy. That's kind of cool. Still have no idea where we're going though. Hey, this is Mike. We're inside Fort Jackson. We're supposed to be looking to get some stuff removed for you guys.
Yes. Are you familiar with Fort Jackson?
No, this is our first time in it. We're just headed towards Ivy Road right now.
Okay.
I didn't know if it was the contractor building or something.
It is.
Okay. We will find Ivy Road and then I'll give you a call.
Okay, please.
All right, thank you. Have no idea where we're going. All right, guys, so it looks like there's some paint here, and I'm gonna videotape very fast because I don't know if I'm supposed to be doing it in here. Those satellite dishes over there apparently go, and that fence post, and they said some vinyl siding, so maybe it's all this vinyl siding back here. There's some stuff back here too. Not sure if any of this goes, so I'm gonna have to just call them and get a confirmation on everything that goes. All right guys, so we just left Fort Jackson. I'm at my house now, and it was absolutely crazy. That was the first time I was in a fort ever, and I didn't realize there was a school in the middle of that place. There was a golf course, but it was just absolutely crazy. If you want to look it up on Google or anything, just Google Fort Jackson, South Carolina. So basically, I looked at everything, and I think the price is probably gonna be around $3,000. So now I'm gonna show a picture right now of the paint that they had. So they had about 250 containers of this 5-gallon paint. And so I usually charge about $5 per container. So right there, that was about $1,250 just for the paint. Then they also had some tires. I charge about 15 bucks a tire. They had about 11, 12 of those. And then they had all this vinyl siding next to like a little shed they had back there. They wanted me to also like clean up all the trash all the way around the whole area. Then they had like some electronics, couple TVs, washer, dryer, dishwasher. They had satellite dishes. They had about 5 or 6 of those. And then they had some old fence posts and fencing. And they also had a bunch of bricks and stuff like that. So yeah, it's probably gonna take 3 loads maybe to get everything. And that paint, I gotta take that paint, take the lids off and let it dry out. They will not take wet paint at the dump. So that's a lot of extra work just for that paint. And it took me about an hour, maybe a little bit longer to get in that place today. We had to go through security. Then they wanted my license, registration. They checked our plates. They were talking about running background checks. It was just a lot of hassle to even get in there. But overall, we got in there and we found out where they wanted us to be, and hopefully they go for it. So if I get that job, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to record it, but I'm gonna try to just do some time lapses or something when I'm there, and I'll show you guys the stuff that we take, maybe more in depth. Some of that stuff's scrap metal, so that's cool. If you haven't checked out any of our other scrap metal videos, be sure to do that. But that's probably the most paint I've ever dealt with, so that'll be interesting too to see what we do with all that. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.